Hello everyone, so I received this package today and I will unbox it for you because I think I know what it is. It's the board game I made with Powee Celdran, aka Byzantine Time Traveler. It's the first time I'm seeing it. So this is the box. It looks amazing. This is the artwork I did of the 4 characters of the game. You can see my name here. It is personally signed by Powee Celdran. Thank you so much. This is how it looks on the back. It has the interior and some words about the game. So the game is called Battle for Byzantium, and I think it's played with 2 or to 4 people. Okay, so as you open the box, the first thing you see is the beautiful board. So the board looks like this. And then below the board, you can see here is the deck of cards with all the cities that I made. These cards are quite big. I didn't expect them to be this size. They're not usual board game cards. They are the cards that you use while you play the game. I guess when you go to a city and you pick a card, for example this one, Adrianople, and then you flip it and you read some information on the back. Below the cards is the booklet, and I guess I have to read the rules of the game because I'm not exactly sure how to play it, but pretty nice booklet here. And now here I think it's the characters, the pawns. Let's see this one. Oh, here are the pawns. Okay, let's pick one. Look at that. They're printed front and back. That's amazing. Good job, Powee. And one pretty dice. And here are the rest of the cards. Firstly, you can see the character cards. They are different colors from the rest and they stand out. These are all the characters that I designed with the guidance of Powee. And then the gameplay cards. You put them in on the side and you pick. Generally, this is a very good quality game. The printing is awesome. I was very surprised when I got it and when I saw it up close. I'm very proud to see my artwork printed in such form, and I can't wait to play it. I will show you guys again maybe soon. Thank you.